get rid of the wrinkles. This product is a serum called the Ageless Nutraeffects Elixir Youth Anti-Oxidant Complex. I use this every day. I know you're thinking, oh wow, she doesn't have wrinkles. Well, studies have actually shown that you need to start using anti-aging products from in your 20s to avoid having unnecessary wrinkles in your old age, and also to prevent your wrinkles from starting too early in your life. I use this every day. I use this in conjunction with my entire 3-step program, my cleanser, toner, moisturizer, but I apply this right after I apply a toner. One thing that I love about this is it makes my skin look very radiant. It gives my skin such a glow, and also it's a preventative measure as well for wrinkles. So when some people were popping wrinkles in their 50s, I'll probably be popping wrinkles never. So yeah guys, try this. The value for money. Other companies, other brands will charge you an arm and a leg for a youth antioxidant serum. But I mean, with Avon, you know, you're always curious. Cool guys, hope you enjoyed. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, have a good week ahead.